Hello students, welcome to all. Today we have to learn 6th standard English Bridge Course module. Day 6, topic conjunction, page number 41 and 42. A conjunction is a word used to connect words or group of words. They also join two sentences. Conjunction அப்படிங்கிறது இணைப்புச் சொல். இரண்டு வார்த்தை அல்லது இரண்டு வாக்கியங்களை ஒன்றிணைப்பதற்கு பயன்படுத்தும் சொல் இணைப்புச் சொல். That is called conjunction. There are three types of conjunctions. How many types? Three types. Coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. In this video, we have to elaborately explain the particular topics. So watch the video carefully.
We are going to see the Bridge Course module volume 1 day 6 topic conjunctions in the page number 42. Let us recall previous session. I hope you understood that well. Okay. Let us discuss learning outcome. To write grammatically correct sentences for a variety of situations using conjunctions. Students, shall we see some activities? Okay. Look at the screen. It is a bat. This is one sentence. It is a ball. This is another sentence. How can we combine both these sentences? Yes, you are right. We can combine the sentence by using the word and the sentence as it is a bat and ball. Shall we see the next sentence? He ate biscuit is one sentence. He was still hungry. This is another sentence. Both these sentences are linked by the word but and becomes one sentence as he ate biscuit but he was still hungry. Next sentence, we like to play football or basketball. Here the words football and basketball are linked by the word or and becomes one sentence as we like to play football or basketball. Look at this sentence. Brush your teeth is one sentence. You go to bed is another sentence. Both these sentences are linked by the word before and becomes one sentence as brush your teeth before you go to bed. Students, can you recall the words that connected those sentences? Yes. And, but, or, before. These words are called as conjunctions. What is conjunctions? A conjunction is a word used to connect words or group of words. They also join two sentences. Conjunction என்பது ஓர் இணைப்புச் சொல். இது இரண்டு வாக்கியங்களை அல்லது இரண்டு வார்த்தைகளை இணைக்கும். இணைக்கும் சொல்லை நாம் conjunctions என கூறுகின்றோம். Example, Joe and his brother will go. Joe or I will be there. Men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. For and now, but, or, yet, because, hence, since, as, although, though, while. These are all lists of conjunctions. Students, conjunctions can be classified into three types: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinative conjunctions. We are going to see coordinating conjunctions at first. It is used to join two parts of a sentence that are grammatically equal. The two parts may be single words or class. சமமான இரண்டு வாக்கியங்களை அல்லது வார்த்தைகளை இணைக்கும் சொல்லை நாம் coordinating conjunctions என கூறலாம். Example, the water is warm but I don't go for swimming. This is the list of coordinating conjunctions and is used for words used in sequences and suggests results. And வரிசை மற்றும் விளைவுகளை உணர்த்தும். Or offers a choice but links a positive and negative idea. அதாவது நேர்மறை வாக்கியங்களையும் எதிர்மறை வாக்கியங்களையும் இணைக்கும் சொல்லாக இருக்கும். So gives a result. விளைவுகளை நமக்கு எடுத்து கூறும். Because gives a reason. காரணங்களை நமக்கு எடுத்து இயம்பும். Yet, however, எனினும் என பொருள்படும். Students, complete the following sentences below with one of the following conjunctions. We can go out for dinner now dash later. What is the right answer here? Yes, or. I am not really hungry dash that apple looks beautiful. What is the right answer here? Yes, yet. Elephants are big dash blue whales are even bigger. What is the right answer here? Yes, but. I need a pen dash some paper to write some notes. What is the right answer here? Yes, and. He lived in France for 2 years dash he can speak French. What is the right answer here? Yes, so you are right. Students, let us see what is subordinate conjunction. It is used to join subordinate class to main class. அதாவது முதன்மை வாக்கியத்தையும் துணைநிலை வாக்கியத்தையும் இணைக்கும் சொல்லாக இந்த subordinate conjunctions பயன்படும். Example, though he is poor, he is honest. இதில் though he is poor subordinate class, he is honest main class. When, where, because, though, although, as. These are all list of subordinate conjunctions. Shall we complete the following sentences below with one of the following? Dash the basement flooded. We spent all day cleaning up. What is the right answer here? Yes, after. Dash spring arrives. We have to be prepared for more snow. What is the right answer here? Yes, when. Dash the doorbell rang. He opened the door. What is the right answer here? Yes, after. You wait here dash I come. What is the right answer here? Yes, until. She began to cry dash she had lost her gold chain. What is the right answer here? Yes, because. Students, let us identify the conjunctions. You can have tea or coffee. Which one is the conjunction? Yes, or. I will wait here till you come. Which one is the conjunction? Yes, till. This is the house where he lives. Which is the conjunction? Yes, where. He was hungry, so he ate a banana. Which is the conjunction here? Yes, so. The lights went off when I was reading. Which is the right conjunction here? Yes, when. Shall we fit the right conjunctions? Okay. Seema dash money were friends. What is the right answer here? Yes, and. Bring coffee dash tea. What is the right answer here? Yes, or. My mother called dash I went. What is the right answer here? Yes, so. We planned to go to the park dash it dropped. What is the right answer here? Yes, yet. Students, let us recall the conjunctions. How? Let us recall it by combining the sentences using these conjunctions. Shall we do it? Okay. He hit the ball, but he dropped the bat. We can eat pizza or we can eat burger. The birds can fly and it can hope. Crow has an apple and he has an orange. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கக்கூடிய வார்த்தையை வச்சு நீங்கள் வாக்கியங்களை உருவாக்கணும். ஸோ அதை எப்படின்றத நீங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. ஸோ நீங்கள் அதை நீங்கள் வீட்டில் கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியாக செய்ய முடியும். ஸோ முதல் வார்த்தை ஆல்தோ. ஸோ இந்த வார்த்தைக்கு இந்த கன்ஜங்ஷனுக்கு நம்ம எப்படி ஒரு சென்டென்ஸை ஃப்ரேம் பண்ண முடியும்? He is famous, he is nice. ரெண்டு வாக்கியம் இருக்கு பார்த்தீங்களா? ஸோ இதை ஆல்தோ அப்படின்ற கன்ஜங்ஷனை வச்சு நம்ம ஒரு வாக்கியத்தை ஒரு வாக்கியமா உருவாக்க முடியும். ஆல்தோ he is rich, he is nice. ஸோ அடுத்த வாக்கியத்தை பார்க்கலாங்களா? I like tea, I like coffee. எனக்கு டீயும் பிடிக்கும், காஃபியும் பிடிக்கும். ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு வாக்கியத்தை எப்படி இணைக்க முடியும்? இணைக்கலாம் அண்ட் அப்படின்ற கன்ஜங்ஷனை வச்சு. I like tea and I like coffee. அடுத்த வாக்கியம் you read well, you will get good marks. ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு வாக்கியத்தை நம்ம எப்படி இணைக்க முடியும்? if என்ற கன்ஜங்ஷன்ஸை வச்சு நம்ம இணைக்க முடியும். if you read well, you will get good marks. அடுத்த வாக்கியம் he read book but he doesn't play. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த வாக்கியத்தை பட்டை வச்சு நம்ம உருவாக்கி இருக்கிறோம். Students, frame sentences for the given conjunctions is your home assignment.
I hope everyone will watch the particular topic conjunction. Do the homework, page number 43. Write neatly in your book and send it in the WhatsApp group. Thank you, students.